Okay, this is the Ideal Logic Heat 12. It's a regular boiler, as you can see. There's no pump or anything. What it does on ignition sequence, it makes the vibrating that noise, and that is caused by combustion system is dirty. So if you just look at that here, you can see how dirty it is. So all that needs to be cleaned out. Condensate trap, of course, needs to be cleaned out. So what we're going to do, we're going to put boiling hot water using an electric kettle, boil it and pour it in there, clean the heat exchanger out, and then what we're going to do is we're going to clean the burner. And here's all the injectors and all this dipped into hot water. So the injectors are in there and the fan venturi. We're going to clean all that out with a nice cloth and change the burner gasket. Give it a good blow on the burner. The wet back and clean all these out. Here's the gaskets. It comes in the envelope. Just bought a flame sensor. Just going to change that as well. It's not in good condition. Just going to do that anyway and show you. So here is the fan venturi. We're just cleaning it out. That was full of dust and muck stuck to the balls around it. You can see now. Here's the injector. Clean that out. So give it a good wash. Should be okay in a bit once we cleaned it. Don't worry, your face won't be on the video. Okay? Yeah. See, she's just pouring hot water into the heat exchanger. You can see your face won't be on there.
I'm just showing. Yeah, I'm just showing the carbon.
And it just comes out. The carbon coming. All these stuff. It's one of the common problems with Ideals. You have to clean them properly to stop that vibrating noise. So we're going to do that a couple of times until the heat exchanger is fully cleaned out. So we've cleaned out the heat exchanger. You can see how clean it is now. In there, the flame sensor, everything looks nice and healthy. So it should not make that noise anymore. So we're just cleaning the injectors and venturi and all that now. I'm just cleaning the burner slowly, sucking it up with air and blowing it with a blower. You can see these are now cleaned up. All nice and injector. Here's the gasket which we're going to fit, and clean the fan, and she's done the injector back in and venturi, everything's in and cleaned. So that noise basically, after cleaning all these, if it still does it, then you have to check the gas valve ratio or the burner. Most cases is the burner. Gas valve will leave it last. You can adjust the ratio like CO2 and all that if it's the gas valve. But if it does still make noise after you clean the full strip down, then I would recommend you to change the burner. Burners most of the time is the culprit as well. But the common problem is dirty combustion system, so everything needs to be stripped out, cleaned out, heat exchanger flushed out, and clean. Okay, so we're going to assemble everything back together now. So here's everything. We put it back together: the burner, the fan, the connections, everything in, cleaned out the trap and everything, and we should fire the boiler and do our safety checks, do a burner sweep test and everything. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we should get the burner light in a bit, and you will hear that noise is gone. There you go, ignition sequence. See, smooth ignition. That noise has disappeared. But that's how it should be. Okay, just doing the safety check. Do you want to pass me the thingy here? Let's put it onto engineer's mode and just test this. Check the burner sweep test. Go there now. We should get nothing on there. Nothing. That's fine. It's fired up nicely. We've done the full strip down service, just doing the FGA now, all the safety checks, boilers on maximum, just waiting for it to go up. Thing is, to work on boilers you have to be a gas safe registered engineer, so that's a warning for the public. Thank you.